To troubleshoot a Venmo request, start by checking your internet connection and ensuring that the Venmo app is up to date. Open the app and navigate to the request in question. Check the status of the request to see if it has been completed, declined, or is still pending. If the request is still pending, check your Venmo balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to complete the request also. Verify that the recipient's information is correct, including their username and phone number. If the issue persists, try canceling the request and resending it. To cancel a request, go to the request, tap the three dots next to it, and select Cancel. Then, recreate the request with the correct information. Additionally, check for any Venmo maintenance or outage notifications, as these may be causing the issue. You can do this by visiting Venmo's website or social media pages. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support directly for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide guidance on how to complete the request successfully. It is also a good idea to review Venmo's terms of service and user agreement to ensure you are using the app in compliance with their policies. This can help you avoid any potential issues or disputes with requests in the future. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Venmo request. Remember to always double-check the recipient's information and your Venmo balance before sending a request to avoid any potential problems.